and finished as one of the top students in her class. She is now a nurse at Children's Hospital and is a shining star to everyone she encounters. Jets fans, let's hear it for Erin Scott, tonight's community hero. If you want to see her here on the spotlight, visit WinnipegJets.com/community hero and nominate someone who deserves to be celebrated for the impact they made.
No matter where the future leads. Enterprise for lives in drive.
All right, Jets fans, let's keep this party going and welcome back to the game next stage, Mach 10.